The guardians of the country's territorial waters have been quick in responding to potential intrusions to the nation's exclusive economic zone and maritime domain, much like the Western Command's naval forces that verified 2 Chinese warships' entry and passage in the Basilan Strait that our Patrick De Jesus sums up in this report.
Some residents seen a large warship of the China's PLA Navy in Basilan Strait within the Zamboanga Peninsula. This was confirmed by the AFP, wherein a total of 2 Chinese warships were seen, a training ship, and amphibious transport dock. The AFP said that a Philippine Navy ship, BRP Domingo de Luana, was immediately deployed and shadowed the said PLA Navy vessels. Philippine Navy issued standard challenges against them. One of the Chinese ships responded and said they are conducting normal navigation from a port called in Dili, Timor-Leste, going back to Dalian, China. According to the AFP, the right to innocent passage is allowed in Basilan Strait, which is an international sea lane. They also assured continued vigilance, safety, and security while safeguarding the nation's territorial integrity. Meanwhile, China Coast Guard personnel on board a rubber boat blocked the high-speed response boat of the Philippine Coast Guard. This happened on May 19 in the vicinity of Second Thomas or Ayungin Shoal while conducting medical evacuation for a sick soldier from the BRP Sierra Madre.
We're going to medevac some personnel. We're going to medevac. We have a sick personnel on that boat. We have a sick personnel on that boat. We're going to medevac.
Pinikutan tayo.
China Coast Guard continued to harass them with more rubber boats and ships joining the blockade. An aluminum speedboat of the CCG then cruised past the PCG response boat and executed a dangerous maneuver. When the Philippine Navy RIB and response boat of the PCG got close, China Coast Guard did not care or stop from carrying out their intentions. They intentionally rammed the Philippine boats while the transfer of personnel was underway. The PCG condemned what they call as inhumane and barbaric actions.
Kung tinilan mo nga, muntik pang mahulog yung nagtatransfer. No? So this is a deliberate action on the part of the Chinese Coast Guard. For us, we condemn such action because we have been contacting those Chinese Coast Guard vessels who are in that vicinity that we are conducting a humanitarian mission, because the intention is to evacuate a sick personnel, and yet they still did a lot of dangerous maneuvers and prevented us from getting the sick personnel on board the regional boat.
Despite these harassments, the sick soldier was still transferred and brought to Palawan.
At 3:15 in the afternoon on that same day, May 19, the Philippine Coast Guard high-speed response boat reached Buliluyan Port, and sick personnel was immediately transported to the nearest hospital.
The incident happened during the same time when China Coast Guard illegally seized supplies intended for Filipino troops on the BRP Sierra Madre during a para-drop or airdrop mission of the AFP. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.